pull is done, and now we are going to get into action here. Oh, let's go behind there by Kayla. Mika Center is a little bit of hair pulled there. Feeling out process, and I think Micah already knows the type of competitor she's going to be tangling with here with Kayla Kassidy. Nice side headlock. Kayla pushes Micah into the corner. Referee right there making that count. She breaks. Disrespect there. Yeah, not really surprising. Women circling the ring. And they lock up. Kayla with the arm bar. The wrist lock on there. Stepping outside the ring. What did she... Oh, there she goes. Using the ropes to her advantage, using the referee's count to her advantage as well. Perfectly legal. For an arm, no. Nice, there, take, oh. Right into a pin, but barely got a count of one. Nice drop kick. There by Micah. She charges in with a running forearm. Go for it again. This time hits an elbow. Snapmare right into the center. Micah's starting to get some momentum here in this matchup. Off the ropes. Beautiful neck breaker there. Going for the pin, that's wise. Even though, she probably knew that wasn't going to be it. It still forces Kayla Kassidy to expend energy to kick out. Fireman's carry position. Nope. Kayla's not going to stay up in that predicament for very long. She sneaks out the back door, heads back into a corner to regain her breath, and Micah charged the corner again, and that probably was going to the well once too often, as you can see what's happened to her now. Kayla now sliding back into the ring. Has got to take advantage of this situation. Going to go right for a cover, and again, probably did not expect to actually win there, but forced Micah to use that energy to kick out of that situation. Now, again, using the ropes, trying to eliminate the oxygen from the body of Micah, and if that happens, it's all but over. Micah's still got some fight left in her. Kayla looking to stomp and batter whatever's left. And now again, going after that neck, going after the throat. Very proud of herself. Clubbing forearm to the upper spine. And once again, using the ropes, trying to just choke out Micah. And again with the stomps. Kayla not doing anything pretty here, just doing very effective moves there and just trying to wear down Micah. Chin lock, but you got to be very careful. Oh, for the nose. If I were the referee, I'd get in there and check, because that forearm looks dangerously close to putting pressure on the windpipe. Oh, Micah. Desperation move. Nice boot. Caught Kayla coming in. Caught her with a forearm. And Micah making a comeback here. Big clothesline. Again, she remembered, what happened in Georgetown. She doesn't want to start a losing streak. Side Russian leg sweep. Floats right over it. He's got the arm bar applied.
She's breaking my arm.
Will Kayla tap out here? No. She shifts her weight. And almost got a pin there. Nice. Kick there. Going for a suplex. Oh! Another neck breaker there. And a 2 count. Referee was right on top of the situation. Hear the pain from Micah. She's a fighter. She's got, there we go. The old Samoan dropper. And that's it. That's all it took. Knocked all the air out of her. And Micah back to her winning ways. More action at Rumble on the River 4 still to come.